things, but one thing that really caught my attention is how hard it is to make a film. Like, you have to constantly shoot the same scene over and over again until you get it perfect. I learned about the camera, the different parts to it. I learned how to write the scripts, and it wasn't that hard for me. It was just a lot of detail. You have to, like, the thoughts that you picture something in your head, you have to put it into detail so then others can, so your director, if it's another person, can have a picture in their mind of how your movie is going to be filmed.
Parents are there to guide, lead, and teach you. They play a very vital role in life. When we need or want something, they are there. Appreciate the people you have and count your blessings before you lose them. This story is about children who take their mother for granted.
Excuse me, can somebody help me? Excuse me,
Come.
can somebody help
Go help
me?
Mom. Yeah, Paulo.
Tupu! You're the oldest. You're supposed to clean the kitchen.
Mom, can't you tell Siri to do it? He doesn't do anything.
You come and clean the kitchen and get me something to eat.
Why can't you cook yourself some food?
How many times have I done things for you? I just asked you to come and fix me something to eat. You fix me something to eat.
Yeah. Okay, whatever.
You know what, Tupu? That's okay. You go sit down. I'm tired, okay? I'm just tired. You go. It's okay. Okay? Just go. Tired. Hello? Is your mom home?
She's upstairs.
Very important.
She's right here. I will get it. Didi, Masuku, Joshua, Mom's not waking up. Please come and help.
What?
Mom's not getting up. Come up here now, please.
Thanks for all you've done. I've missed you for so long. I can't believe you're gone. You still live in me. I feel you in the wind. You guide me constantly.
Now, it's too late. I've realized how important my mother is. Please don't wait until it's too late to realize the worth of your parents.
Now I come home and I miss your face so. Smiling down on me, I close my eyes to see, and I know you're a part of me, and sits